Good afternoon, and this afternoon he said I'm going to change my brakes. No, I'm not going to change my brake pads. Right, take the ABS cable out of the way. And this is a GSX S 1000 F 1000 fully fed 1000 with Brembo brakes on the front, this on the back. I'll just throw that down there. Right, 2 bolts out. Let's just rock it side to side and get them pads back in slightly. Pistons all look good. Right, now I want a big jammy part, or a little one. It shouldn't take much force to get these back. And then that takes it back far enough, hopefully. There you go. And they just hook in on these lugs. Go in and push into the little slots up against the pistons. No messing about with pins or Furcal. So quick and easy. Let's go back in a bit more. Don't really need one. You've got a clip at the top that you just need to get these 2 lugs to one side, and then there's still not enough room. There you go. You can't get quicker than that. You can't. And right on schedule is the old woman with a cup of tea. And she can't get in the shed because there's a bike in the way. Yay! Yes, you can. And that is one Brembo brake on a GSX S 1000 with replaced brake pads and a cup of tea delivered by the amazing and yeah, there you go, brake pads replaced. As easy as that. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Comments below. Ta-ra.